Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your HP Deskjet printer. Now, this will work pretty much on all HP Deskjet printers. I know it will work especially well and in the exact same manner on the HP Deskjet 2600, 2700 and 2800 series. So I'm using a 2810E, but I know it will work on 2700E, 2752E, 2710E, so on and so forth. Now, this is quite an important thing to know about, because sometimes these printers they are pretty cheap, and sometimes they come across issues, and sometimes you might think, let me just throw this thing away, but usually this tends to fix it. If you have Wi-Fi issues, let's say your router dies, and you can just never connect this thing again, this should hopefully help you. And it's actually very simple. So it's the same thing you do as putting the printer into pairing mode, but you're just going to hold these buttons for longer. So you have the Wi-Fi button here and the X button. Now you're going to want to hold these two down for 15 seconds until the flashing stops. So we'll do it for 15 seconds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we'll do a couple more seconds just for good measure, and then we'll let go. And now, as you can see, it might not seem it, but the printer has just been factory reset. And now that it's factory reset as well, it is automatically in pairing mode. So you can download the HP Smart app, and that should let you set it up immediately. So hopefully this helped. It's a very quick tutorial, but I'd say this fixes most of the issues that you'll come across, especially with this kind of printer. And yeah, that should be that. Hopefully you enjoyed, and check out my channel for other tutorials for this specific printer and similar ones. Bye bye.